Do you have your homework?
Yes, I finished my homework.
What did you learn at school today?
I learned about dinosaurs today.
Why didn't you call me earlier?
I forgot to call, sorry.
Do you need more time?
No, I'm ready to go now.
What's your plan for the day?
I'm planning to play with my toys.
Why did you leave the door open?
I didn't realize it was open.
Do you want juice or water?
I'd like water, please.
What are you drawing?
I'm drawing a picture of a cat.
Why are your shoes untied?
I don't know, they just came untied.
Do you remember your lunch?
Yes, I remembered my lunch.
What's that noise?
It's the TV.
Why didn't you clean up?
I got distracted.
Do you like your outfit?
Yes, I like my outfit today.
What game are you playing?
I'm playing a matching game.
Why are you so excited?
I'm excited because we're going to the park.
Do you have your shoes on?
Yes, my shoes are on.
What did you dream about?
I dreamed about flying in the sky.
Why are you so quiet?
I'm just thinking.
Do you want to bring a toy?
Yes, I want to bring my teddy bear.
What do you want to do today?
I want to go to the playground.
Why are you running?
I'm running because I'm excited.
Do you want help with your hair?
Yes, please help with my hair.
What's your favorite snack?
My favorite snack is apple slices.
Why did you turn off the light?
I turned it off because I was done.
Do you know what time it is?
It's 8 o'clock.
What do you want to wear?
I want to wear my red shirt.
Why did you change your mind?
I changed my mind because I liked this one better.
Do you need to use the bathroom?
Yes, I need to use the bathroom.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is art.
Why are you wearing that hat?
I'm wearing it because it's cold.
Do you have your school books?
Yes, I have all my books.
What are you going to do after school?
I'm going to play with my friends.
Why did you skip breakfast?
I wasn't hungry this morning.
Do you want to invite a friend over?
Yes, I want to invite my friend over.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Toy Story.
Why did you pick that book?
I picked it because I like the pictures.
Do you have your water bottle?
Yes, I have my water bottle.
What's your favorite song?
My favorite song is Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star.
Why are you in a hurry?
I'm in a hurry because I don't want to be late.
Do you want to ride your bike?
Yes, I want to ride my bike.
What are you drawing?
I'm drawing a house.
Why did you forget your homework?
I forgot because I was in a rush.
Do you want to read a book?
Yes, I want to read Goodnight Moon.
What did your teacher say?
My teacher said I did a great job today.
Why didn't you tell me?
I didn't think it was important.
Do you need help with your homework?
Yes, I need help with math.
What's your favorite game?
My favorite game is hide and seek.
Why are you sitting there?
I'm sitting here because I'm tired.
Do you want to watch a movie?
Yes, I want to watch Frozen.
What did you learn today?
I learned how to spell new words.
Why didn't you finish your drawing?
I didn't have enough time.
Do you have your jacket?
Yes, I have my jacket.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a dog.
Why did you leave that outside?
I left it outside by accident.
Do you want to wear a hat?
Yes, I want to wear my favorite hat.
What's your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is my Lego set.
Why are you wearing that shirt?
I'm wearing it because it's comfortable.
Do you need more sleep?
Yes, I need more sleep.
What do you want to eat?
I want spaghetti.
Why did you wake up so late?
I stayed up too late last night.
Do you want to play a game?
Yes, let's play a board game.
What time is this?
It's 3 p.m.
Why are you so tired?
I'm tired because I didn't sleep well.
Do you like your teacher?
I like my teacher a lot.
What did you do at recess?
I played tag at recess.
Why didn't you tell me earlier?
I forgot, sorry.
Do you need your lunchbox?
Yes, I need my lunchbox.
What's your favorite part of the day?
My favorite part is story time.
Why are you standing there?
I'm waiting for you.
Do you want to go to the park?
Yes, I want to go to the park.
What did you build with your blocks?
I built a tall tower with my blocks.
Why are you not playing?
I'm just taking a break.
Do you want to visit Grandma?
Yes, I want to visit Grandma.
What's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is ice cream.
Why did you leave your toys out?
I was going to put them away later.
Do you have your keys?
Yes, I have my keys.
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is soccer.
Why are you feeling upset?
I'm upset because I lost my toy.
Do you remember where we're going?
Yes, I remember, we're going to the store.
What's your favorite thing to do?
My favorite thing to do is draw.
Why didn't you do your chores?
I forgot about my chores.
Do you need help with your shoes?
Yes, please help me with my shoes.
What are you going to wear today?
I'm going to wear my new shirt.
Why did you leave the light on?
I didn't know I left the light on.
Do you want a snack?
Yes, I'm hungry.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
Why are you still in bed?
I'm still in bed because I'm sleepy.
Do you have your gym clothes?
Yes, I have my gym clothes ready.